Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on Google Assistant on Android. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, go ahead and search for Google and then select the Google app. Now click on your profile picture at the top right. Locate and click on Settings. On Settings, you want to scroll down and click on Google Assistant. Then scroll down Google Assistant page and then select General. Under General, you should see Google Assistant. Just go ahead and turn on Google Assistant. The spot that says turn on Google Assistant. Turn on Google Assistant. If this is your first time of using Google Assistant, you'll be prompted to train your voice. For Google Assistant to be able to recognize your voice whenever you say, "Hey Google," and after that, you are good. So that is basically how to turn on Google Assistant on Android. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.